The grind is a rich dark blend, smooth and creamy texture. Be welcome at my house. All yours. Thanks, Anne. 20 years of serving you. Happiness, friendship, calmness, sharing, relaxation, and magical moments. Grindhouse.
What do you call that?
What?
That.
What do you mean?
Jerry, what do you call that?
That's what you asked for.
No, I asked for Grindhouse.
Grindhouse.
Okay. Okay. You know, it doesn't even have any skin. No flesh. No sex.
Sorry, yeah, I haven't been feeling too great. Brain tumour.
Jesus.
Well, it turned out it was just a head cold, but, six, okay.
The grind is a rich dark blend, smooth, creamy texture. Be welcome at my house. All yours. Thanks, Anne.
Okay, Jerry, that was just a woman serving coffee in a bra. Wasn't... Okay, it wasn't very sexy, was it? Was it? Was it? No. Okay, needs more racy. Make it more racy. Racy.
Okay. Been feeling a bit vomity.
Racy.
Okay.
Yo, Juice, they expect the field style to come out and whip this to pieces, man. Wind up the instrumental.
The grind is a rich dark blend, smooth and creamy in texture. Be welcome at my house. All yours. Word up, nigga.
What the hell was that?
Racist.
Yeah, no. Why?
You said really racist.
I said racy. Racy! What's wrong with you?
Why? What have you heard?
Look, you need to do it again. Sexier. Go further with it. Go further with sexy.
Six cells.
Okay, Jerry, I don't feel like we're on the same page here, Jerry.
No, yeah, we are.
It's Grindhouse. I don't think sex is your thing, so maybe violence. You know, we want action. We want fight. We want just energy, raw
Action.
fight, kung fu.
Kung fu.
We want kung fu, Jerry.
Kung fu.
Grindhouse. Yeah, Grindhouse.
Grindhouse.
Kung fu, Jerry.
Gotcha. Right. Okay.
Grind is a rich dark blend, smooth and creamy texture. Be welcome at my place. All yours. Thanks, Anne. 20 years of serving you. Happiness, friendship, calmness, sharing, relaxation.
I'm getting really sick of seeing you, Jerry. You keep bringing back something which looks like a coffee commercial.
Well,
Look, I want a Grindhouse film. It's got to have werewolves in it. It's got to have bikers in it. It's got to have lesbians in it. It's got to have tits in it. It's got to have samurai swords in it. Vietnam vets. It's a Grindhouse film.
I thought you want a Grindhouse film.
Grindhouse film, Jerry.
A Grindhouse film.
Grindhouse film. Thanks, Ann.
It's got war, it's got funk, it's got hot scans with blood on them, werewolves. It's got kung fu and justice, lesbian vampires and hot beverages, boobs in pairs. It's all in the Grindhouse.
Yeah, Jerry, that's really good. Yeah. Where's the rest of it?
Rest of it?
Yeah, the rest of it.
No, that's it. 30 seconds.
Yeah, where's the other 89.5 minutes?
Grind.
Hey Jerry, have you ever made a movie before?
Yeah. I've done Earl Grey, Coco, Lemon Bar.
Okay, I'm going to stop you there, Jerry. Most of these movies seem to be about hot beverages.
Yeah.
And they're about 30 seconds long?
Sometimes 15. Grindhouse.
Stop saying Grindhouse.
I feel a bit unwell.
Get out.
Coming soon. Toby Sharp and Gun Ho Ho, Anhelion, Vampire, Ben Chrissy and Ninja from Hi. Attack of the Clam Chowders featuring Kelly Newell and Ellie McKee, Hermaphrodite from Planet Francesca Del Par, Flat Wife, Short from Burns, and another Alan D. Parr, Rear Wheel Bandit, Simon Ward, I Was a Teenage Teabagger, Woodcut Productions provided all the music.